Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Stocksavvy, multiple business management, how to create more business locations, how to do internal stock transfer. You'll also be able to monitor your product stock level at the different locations. So first of all, before creating a new location, you have to ensure that your license permits you to do that. If you're on a one location license, you won't be able to create multiple business locations on the same account. So you'd have to upgrade to a license that would allow you do that. So let's get started. Scrolling down, I have the settings navigation link. So from here you can click business locations. So this shows us the current location that we are on, and I can create more business locations from here. So to add a business location, these are the details that I need: the business name, or this could be called the location name. So I'll call this location B. Location ID could also be optional. So if you don't input any location ID, automatically the system is going to generate one for you. But most times it's best to specify the location ID, because this helps you to identify the location. Okay, so these are meant to be the landmark is actually your business address. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in these details real quick. Then for the invoice scheme, choose default. For all these options, you have to choose default. Then you can specify the mode of payment. So currently I have all these modes of payment right here. But if you have a custom payment that is not on this list, you can also add it. So I'm going to show you a way to do that. So first of all, I need cash. I don't want card, check, bank transfer. Yeah, I also want bank transfer. So you can also specify the banks. These are the payment methods that are going to be available in this location. Okay. So after that, you can go ahead and save. So it says country. So I'm going to use Nigeria. Okay, now currently we have two locations on the business locations dashboard. And I can also, click on edit to make adjustments. Maybe if you have an update that you'd want to make, you can do that from here. Then let's go and add products to these business locations. So go to products and add products. So since I have two locations, I am going to add the product to the second location. Let's add the tool. The SKU is actually the barcode, and if you don't have your barcode scanner connected to your system, you might as well skip this step. So the next step is to choose the units. I'm going to use pieces for this particular product. Then under category, this is going to be a soup. And business locations. So this is actually where you specify, the business locations where you want this product to be available. If you include any location here, it means that the product can be sold, purchased, and also you can run reports on that product with respect to this location or to any location you choose here. If you want this product to be available in both locations, you can as well choose both locations here. Okay. but I want this product to be available in just the location I created now. So after this step, the next step is to specify your alert quantity. So your alert quantity is actually your reorder point. So this is actually a point where the system notifies you that you need to reorder this product. You don't have to wait till you run out of this product before reordering. So I can use 10, you can use any number, So this is actually variable because some products need to go very, very low for you to reorder. Others might be as high as 100, 1000, and you might still need to reorder. So this is going to be, let me use 50 for this. Then the product description is actually optional, but you can fill in the details about the product. Then the product image is also optional, but you can upload the image. So the expires in field helps you to specify when these products might expire. So in dates, I can do 5 months from now, and this is actually where you pay the cost and the selling price. So for this product, I am going to use 500 as the cost price, 700 as the selling price. So now we have this product and we can save. So in Stocksavvy, when you save a product, automatically the quantity is registered to be 0. So for you to make a purchase, or maybe for you to increase the quantity of a product, you have to make a purchase or add an opening stock. Opening stock. An opening stock quantity helps you to specify how much you have at hand right now before you made your first purchase after installing Stocksavvy. So for this product, I'm going to make a purchase on it. So currently what we have here, this is it. So the total order location B, and the cost price is 500, selling price is 700, and the current stock is showing 0 pieces. So that means we don't have this product in this location, and you will not be able to sell it because it's going to show you an error, product out of stock. So this means that you won't be able to sell this product in this location. So to make a purchase, we have to go to the purchase tab. It's right here on the left. So you click purchases and add purchase. So the add purchase page, enables you to make a purchase for a particular product. So some information are required to add a purchase, like the supplier name, the purchase status, the dates, and also the business location where you are making this purchase. So first thing that we need to indicate here is the purchase name. So when you buy a product, obviously the product is coming from a vendor or a supplier or a business person. So you have to specify their details on the system. So this helps the system to keep track of your suppliers, the product they supply to you, and also the expiry date of the products. So let's click add. And you get to specify if the person that supplied this product is an individual, or maybe a business owner, or a business person, or a business entity. So I can use business because most of my suppliers are business entities. And let me just use the name, Tito, as the company name. The phone number is very, very important. So I can use anyone. I can use this one right here. But you need to specify, like, you need to get the phone number of your suppliers and also input them on the system. The system helps you to keep those information. So the email is also very important, but this is optional. You can skip it. Then let's save. So once we have these suppliers details saved on the system, it means that next time if we are making a purchase from this vendor, we don't need to go through the process of saving it again. You don't need to add it. You can just come down here and search for the supplier's name. So it's going to come up. Now, the next step is to specify the purchase date. Most times, you're going to be using the date on the invoice of the purchase you made, but you can also use today's date. So I'm using today's date as the purchase date. Then the purchase status is going to be received. So the difference between pending ordered is that pending, it doesn't add to the quantity. You can make a purchase, but if left at a pending state, it doesn't increase the quantity of the product. So you have to receive the product so that it's going to affect the product quantity. Then business location. This is actually where you get to specify where this product is going into. So it might be going into location 1 or location B. Like this is my location 1 and this is my location B that I just created in this episode. So I'm going to be using the location B because this is where I intend making this purchase. Then scrolling down, this is where you get to search for the product name. So the name of the product that I'm about to purchase is T2. Alright, so this is the product and current stock showing 0. So that means we don't have this product currently in stock. So I can specify the quantity that I'm buying from this vendor. Remember, this is in pieces. So if you're buying in cartons, you have to calculate, you have to count how many pieces of this soap you have in one carton. If you're buying in cartons, no problem, you can just input it here. Now what you input here is quantity you sell. So if you buy in cartons and sell in pieces, then you have to count how many of this product you have in one carton and multiply by how many cartons you're buying. So if you're making a purchase of 10 cartons and is a 10 inside one carton, then that is a 10 times 10, making 100 pieces. So that's what you input here. But if you buy in cartons and you sell in cartons, you can just input 10 because that is your sales quantity. That's the lowest unit you're selling. Then the unit cost price is actually 500. Now if maybe maybe the cost price have changed, or the selling price have changed in any way, you can just come here and also update. So the manufacturing date helps you to specify when this item was manufactured and when it is going to expire. So for this product, I'm going to use let's use last month, and the expiry date is going to be 2025. Wait, okay. So 2025. Let me use. Actually, you're going to be using the date on the product. So let me use 29th. Then for this, I'm going to use, since I'm inputting pieces, I'm going to use 500 pieces. Okay. Then the total amount of our purchase is 250,000 naira. So we need to come here and input the same amount that we paid our vendor. So what this helps you to do is that this helps you to, specify how much you paid your vendor. If you paid your vendor less than 250,000, it means that you're owing that vendor, right? Because when you make a purchase of, let's say, 100,000 naira, you're supposed to be making a payment of 100,000 naira. Anything less than that is going to indicate that you're owing that vendor. So you wouldn't want to owe your vendor. Maybe if you make the purchase on credit, it's fine. So you can come here and specify how much you paid. But the essence of doing this is for the system to think that you paid for this product. So the payment due here is showing 250,000 naira. So that means if you input any amount less than 250k, let's do 220. It's going to show you that your payment due is 30,000 naira. So that means if you save this transaction in this state, the system is going to assume that you are owing this vendor 30,000 naira. So if you actually made a payment less than 250k, then you can impute it right here. But if like you paid in full, just input the exact amount you're seeing here in this field. So you can also specify the date you made the payment and also the payment method. So I'm going to use let me use GT Bank, and I can save. So we're going to give it a few seconds to save. Now this is our purchase. So when you go to purchases, list purchases page, this is where you're going to see all the purchases that was made. So you get to see the purchase date, the time, the reference number, location, the supplier name, the purchase status received, payment status showing paid, then grand total is showing 250,000 naira added by. So this system also helps to track who added each purchase. So now we have to go back to the list products page to see the current stock of detail soap. So now we have detail soap, and it's showing that the current stock is 500 pieces. So this means that we can make sales on this product. We can make sales, we can do stock transfer, we can make stock adjustments to this product. So let's go and make our first sale using this product. So to make a sale, click sell, scroll down, and list POS. So list POS is actually going to enable us make a sale to a customer or to a working customer. So let's select the product. So first of all, we have to specify the location where we want to make this sale from. So this is the second location, and these products are in the first location. So let me go here and select location B. Now we have the second location and all the products in the second location. So currently we have only detail soap in the second location, which I just created. So we can make a sale in this location. Now we have the products, and we can also specify the quantity the customer wants to buy. So let's do 5 pieces. And the 5 pieces on the price of 700 naira, showing 3,500. So we can sell by cash, or maybe go to multiple pay, specify the mode of payments, and save, finalize payment. Now this is going to add to our sales transaction, and each time you go back to your product sale list or sales list, you're going to be able to see that particular sale. But my concern right now is to check the current stock of the detail soap. We sold 5 pieces, so let's go back and check. Okay, so it's showing that the current stock is 495. 5 pieces have been deducted. So also when you go to your home page, you can see our total sales for today and our total purchase. Now another thing I want to show you is how to make stock transfer. If you want to transfer from one location to another, maybe from location A to location B or vice versa, you can go to stock transfers and click add stock transfer. So this is going to enable us to transfer between the two locations. Okay, so the date and also the transfer status. So this is going to be completed. So if maybe you want to make a transfer memo and you're not sure yet if maybe you're going to receive it, you can choose in transit or pending. But for this one, we are sure, so I can just use a completed. Then under location from, this is the where this product is coming out from, the source of this product. Location from is the source. So we are changing the location from location. We are transferring from location B to location A. Location A. Then let's transfer 100 pieces. So under search products for, okay, this is going to be other search products. I'm going to type the product name. Now it's showing that we have the current stock. So the current stock is 495, and I can transfer 100 pieces, and I can also indicate the shipping charges right here. You can input the additional notes. So let's say the shipping charges is like 500, and additional notes, not really important, but we can do now. This is optional, so I can save. Now, when you go to your stock transfer and list stock transfers, you'll find all the stock transfers you've made, the date, the location from to location to, and you can also see the additional note and everything. So let's go back to our product page and see the current stock of this product. Now, I know it might surprise you to be seeing that the current stock is still 495. It is 495 because we've not sold it yet. We still have the 495 on the system. You understand? But now the 495 is like kind of distributed. So we have 395 in the location B and 100 pieces in location A. But you will not get this information from here. Rather, you have to click action and view. Now, when you click actions and view, you will notice that this product is in location A and also location B. So under location A, we have 100 pieces, and under location B, we have 295 pieces. Okay. Now it also shows you your total units sold in each of the location. We've not sold this product in location A, sorry, but we sold it in location B. So that is it for the stock transfer. Now sometimes if the product is appearing in location A, but you're not able to see, maybe you made a stock transfer to a particular location and you're not able to find the product in that location, you need to go to actions, edit. Then you have to go to the locations here and include the second location. Okay. If you try to sell, let me show you something. So let's go back to the POS. Let's go back to the sell page. Let's try to sell this product from the sales page. Okay. So on the sales page, you will notice that this product is not available, even though we've already transferred it, even though it's available in the location location A, sorry, but on the list of products to be sold, we can't find it here. It's simply because the product was not added to this location on the product's profile. So we need to go back to the list products and go to detail soap. So we need to edit this product and add the second locations to it. So when you have the two locations in the business location field, it's going to make it available in both locations. So when I go back to my POS, my point of sales interface, I'll be able to find the detail soap right here. I hope that is understood. Then another thing that we need to do is stock adjustment. So let's go to stock adjustments. It's right under stock transfers. So on the stock adjustments page, let's say maybe 5 of this product was damaged, or maybe 5 of it was stolen, or something happened to any of the products. You can click add stock adjustments. Now on the business location page, on the business location field, just select the business location where you want to add this stock adjustment. So let's say we want to make this adjustment on location B, and the stock adjustment type for this, I don't really say a lot about it, because you can choose any of the options. They are both the same. It doesn't really matter if you choose normal or abnormal. Okay, so you can just use normal. Then for the search, for the product search, you have to input the product name. So let's use the tool. Now this is where you get to specify how many of these products you want to discard from the system, probably because they have expired, or maybe they were stolen or damaged or something. So from on the quantities field, you have to specify the quantity. Let's say 50 pieces of this product was stolen, or maybe damaged or expired, or something happened to them, and we are unable to find 50 pieces, or maybe 50 pieces of this product was kind of damaged or something. So you can just input 50 here. Don't forget we have 395. Okay, so from this we can see that the unit price for each of this product, which is the cost price, the purchase price, is 500. And that means if we discard this product, we are going to be losing 25,000 naira. So what you do is you go to total amount recovered. Now, if maybe in the process of trying to discard this product, you were able to sell some, let's say they are products that expired, and you have customers that are willing to pay a certain amount of money, most times less than the total cost price, which is what we have here. Maybe you have a customer that is willing to pay like 15,000 or 10,000 or 5,000, to buy off this 50 pieces of the total. You can input the amount you recovered, right here. But if not, you can just leave it at 0. So let's say we were able to sell 50 pieces of these products that are about to expire for like 5,000 there. So let's say the reason for discarding these products might be expired, damage, or stolen. You can just save. So right now we've discarded 50 pieces of this product, and when you go to the list adjustment, list stock adjustments page, you will see all the stock adjustments. And when you go to products, lists, products, this is where we're going to find the current stock of this particular soap. So we have 395 and 445. So when you go to actions and view, you will notice that we have 345 in the location B. So 50 pieces, have been deducted from what we have in the current stock. So that is to say that 50 pieces of this product was discarded. Now, it's also, go to see the reports. So let's go to the reports. So we can go to the reports and go to stock adjustment reports. So this shows us the stock adjustments and everything. So the total normal stock adjustments we've made is 25,375. Before now, I made the stock adjustments, on the 30th of last month. So that is it. Now the total amount we've recovered from all the stock adjustments is like 5,200. So now we can also check our profit and loss page. So the total stock adjustment is 25,375. So this is going to affect our profit and the loss. Do you understand? So when you check here, you can also see the products sold, and profit you made from each of the products. So that is it for the stock transfer. If you enjoyed the video, click like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be uploading more of this video as time goes on. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate your time.